OwnPrint lets you beautifully showcase your logo on premium branded jewelry boxes. Here's how it works. First, place an upfront order for at least 48 branded boxes. This ensures your branded packaging is always in stock and ready for your orders. Your initial box order includes a one-time €30 fee, which covers creating your custom metal logo stamp. You won't pay this fee again for restocks. Production takes about 9 to 12 business days for your first order and 6 to 9 days for restocks. We carefully hot stamp your logo onto each box, creating an elegant, crisp, and luxurious finish that your customers will love. As soon as your branded boxes are ready, we automatically update the available quantity in your OwnPrint dashboard. From then on, your orders ship in your beautiful, custom-branded packaging. Ready to elevate your customer experience? Order your branded jewelry boxes today, and we'll handle everything else.